Hi everybody, welcome to our fabulous Fleurs spring collection. So on this one we are going to be using the Bluebell dies, but we're going to create a couple of different flowers. In this one we're going to create a little snowdrop. Okay, I've already gone ahead and actually attached the polystyrene ball to a little bit of wire. So we're going to actually build on this. So we're going to build backwards in reverse. Now you can wrap this if you wanted to and colour it, or colour it with alcohol inks, but it's mainly the build of the flower that I want to do today. So to start off with, you are going to need 3 of those smaller daffodil, because a snowdrop has 6 petals, okay? So we're going to work with the bluebell and those small daffodil ones. So there's 3 of the small daffodil, the tiny ones. Let me bring the dies in so I can show you. So we're working with these tiny ones. So there's 3 of these, and then we've got 3 of the bluebell. But instead of working for the bluebell this way, as we did, and curl them, we're going to work with the petal upside down. So to start off with, we're going to take the 3 of the daffodil and place them on in a triangle. 1, 2, and then whoops, 3. Just going to sit that down on the table so I can push that into there like so. Now you can add a little bit of inking on these ones, and you may find when you look at a little snowdrop that there's quite a bit of green on there as well in the centre. And then to finish it, it's really easy make this one. We're going to work with the petal the upside down, okay? So that is the point of what would have been the bluebell. So I'm going to take a little bit of the glue. We're going to work in between like so. Then the next one, that then sits like so, and these are the 1.5 centimetre little polystyrene balls, just like we used when we made the bluebell. Okay, like that. And then we're going to let that dry a couple of seconds, because what we need to do is round them down, but I need that to set. So we're going to start, that's okay, we can actually do that. So that comes all the way down like that. And I am being really quite gentle because I've not let this glue set at all, really. Okay, like so. So we've got those 2 lots of 3 petals overlapping. And I'm just going to keep working just so it bends down like so. And then obviously the little bluebell, little snowdrops bend over like that. So I would then work with these and pop them in a wire. But that is our tiny little snowdrop. And it's so easy to make. So you want 3 of your little daffodil and 3 of those bluebell. And that is how you create your little snowdrop. So thank you for coming along and joining me. And we'll see you all again soon. Bye-bye.
If you want to see more from Highlight Crafts, make sure you click the like button, subscribe by clicking the subscribe button below, and click the bell icon to receive notifications of all of our future content. You can also click here to see our latest video, or click here to see more videos like this one.